So we are using Flask to make our blog with Python, and so let's go into our environment here, and we got our, let's open PowerShell. Let's go into scripts and let's activate. Let's do it with the command line. It's better. Let's go into our directory here, cd vam and cd block, then cd scripts. Let's activate. So we activated our environment, and let's go back and let's go into the blog directory here where we have our files for our blog. So now we want to open Visual Studio Code from this directory, and as usual we got the init file, the Flask, the roots, and rumpy. Let's go into roots and Flask into root, and now we want to add some posts to the to our home page, taking them from a sort of list of dictionaries. Okay, we got our post into a list, and each post will be a dictionary separated by a comma, and in each dictionary we will have a title that will be post number 1, for example. Then we separate by a comma, and then we will have the body of the post with this is the first post of my blog. Then if we want to make another one, we are going to do post number 2, and the body of the post will be hello. We're back with the second post. Now let's see how we can use it in our template. We are going to make posts equal posts. So we are going to pass this list of dictionaries into our template that is here. Okay, now let's see how to put this data in here. Let's change our welcome message. Okay, now we are going to put our this data here as title and body of 2 posts into the home page. After this welcome title here, we will create a for loop in this way with for post in post. We are going to put the title here, and the data will go with these double curly brackets, and here we are going to put the post title. There is this one, post title, without the S because we are referring to this one. For each post, that means for each of these data here, dictionary, we are going to show the post title and then surrounded by the h5 tag, and then the body will be surrounded by the p title. At the end, we have to end the loop with for end, and okay, let's go and see if it works. Let's go in the terminal. You see we are in the environment here, and to start it we just have to Flask run. Then we click on this and we go into, here it is, our welcome page. But we cannot see the changes because we haven't saved our home page. Let's go back into our browser and let's see what is wrong. Let's go in the templates, homepage, and for. Let's save it. Let's go back here. There it is. It was end for and not for end. And this is post number 1 with the HTML tag, and this is the body. So that's how we use this way to put a for loop into our HTML, making very easy to create new posts and have them into the templates without having to write HTML code, but just using Python code here. Okay, that's all for now.